Welcome to Max online class. Today we are going to see chapter 1 Integers. This is the part 1 video. Introduction. We have learnt about integers already in class 6. We know that integers form a bigger collection of numbers which contains whole numbers as well as negative numbers. What are the differences do you find between whole numbers and integers? So that in this chapter we will study more about integers, their properties and operation. First we will recall what we have learnt in our class 6. We know how to represent integers on a number line. For example, in the left side of 0 we need to write negative integers and the right side of 0 we write positive integers. We know how to arrange integers in ascending and descending order. For example, 6, minus 2, minus 8, 0 and 3. In ascending order, first we need to write minus 8, minus 2, 0, 3 and 6. In descending order, first we need to write 6, 3, 0, minus 2 and minus 8. Now let us see the rules for addition and subtraction. When the signs are same, we need to add and keep the sign. For example, minus 2 plus minus 4. In this the signs are same, so I am going to add it and use the sign of minus. When signs are different, we need to subtract and use the sign of the larger number. For example, minus 2 plus 4. In this, the signs are different, so I am going to subtract and use the sign of the larger number. In this, 4 is the larger number. This sign is positive, so I am using the positive sign. Next, 2 plus minus 4. In this, the signs are different, so I am going to subtract it. Subtracting, I got the answer as 2. I am using the sign of the 4 because it is a larger number. The 4 has the minus sign. Now let us see some questions based on integers. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. First part of the question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Laos Spiti is between minus 10 and minus 5 Celsius. So Laos Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is between minus 5 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. It is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Similarly, Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius and Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Now let us see the next part of the question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? The temperature of the hottest place Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the coldest place Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Difference is 22 degrees Celsius minus minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus becomes plus. So 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Lahaul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. For finding the difference, we need to subtract it. Minus 2 degrees Celsius minus minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. So we are subtracting this. We need to use the sign of the larger number. The larger number is 8. So I am using the sign of the larger number. Then the last part of the question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Now, temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The next part of the D question. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. Therefore, 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. No, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose up by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? They mentioned that on Monday it was minus 5 degrees Celsius and Tuesday temperature dropped is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. They didn't give the temperature of Tuesday, they said it dropped, that is it decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. First we need to find the temperature on Tuesday. For finding the temperature on Tuesday, we need to subtract minus 5 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. The answer is minus 7 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, temperature rose up is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Mention that it rose up, that it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. For finding the temperature on Wednesday, we need to add minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. It gives minus 3 degrees Celsius. Thus, temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. Question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Height of the plane above the sea level is 5000 meters. Floating submarine below the sea level is 1200 meters. For finding the vertical distance, we need to add 5000 plus 1200 meter. That is equal to 6200 meter. Thus, the vertical distance between the plane and the submarine is 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will he represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Deposit amount is rupees 2000. Withdrawal amount is rupees 1642. For finding the balance, we need to subtract 2000 minus 1642. Balance is 358 rupees. Thus, the balance in Mohan account after withdrawal is rupees 358. Amount deposited will be represented by a positive integer. Question number 8. Verify a minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. A is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. We have a minus b is equal to a plus b. Putting the values in LHS, that is left hand side, is equal to a minus b is equal to 21 minus 18 is equal to 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Putting the values in RHS is equal to a plus b, that is 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Since LHS and RHS, hence verify. Question number 9. Use the sign of greater, lesser or equal to in the box to make the statements true. 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. First, we need to remove the brackets. 39 minus 24 minus 15. In this side, 36 minus 52 plus 36. 24 plus 15 is equal to 39. 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. 72 minus 52 is 20 and 39 minus 39 is 0. Hence, 0 is less than 20. That is 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 is less than 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. Now let us see the properties of the operation on integers. Properties on operation of integers are closure property, distributive property, commutative property, identity property, associative property, inverse property. First, let us see the closure property. A and B is an integer, then A plus B, A minus B and A into B is also an integer. Examples: 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 10. Second property is commutative property. Changing the order of two numbers that are either being added or multiplied doesn't change the value. That is, A plus B is equal to B plus A and A into B is equal to B into A. For example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Minus 7 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into minus 7. The third property is associative property. Changing the grouping of numbers that are either being added or multiplied doesn't change its value. That is, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. For example, 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 1. 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. Fourth property is distributive property. When two numbers have been added or subtracted and then multiplied by a factor, the result will be the same when each number is multiplied the factor and the products are then added or subtracted. That is, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Example: 2 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into 3. The next property is identity property. First, let's see about additive identity. Additive identity states that the sum of any number and 0 is the given number. 0 is the additive identity. For example, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Minus 12 plus 0 is equal to minus 12. Now let's see the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity states that the product of any number and 1 is the given number. 1 is the multiplicative identity. For example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Minus 23 into 1 is equal to minus 23. If we add or multiply any number to the integer, the value should not change. That is identity property. Now let us see the inverse property. In addition states that the sum of any number and its additive inverse is 0. The additive inverse of the number A is minus A. For example, 10 plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. In multiplication states that the product of any number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. The multiplicative inverse of the number A is 1 by A. For example, 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Minus 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Thus, the sum of any number and its additive inverse is 0. The product of any number and its multiplicative inverse is 1. Now let us see some exercises based on integers. Write down a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. Let minus 20 and minus 10 be a pair of integers. Minus 20 minus minus 10. Minus into minus becomes plus. That is, minus 20 plus 10 is equal to minus 10. Question 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scores 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Team A scored minus 40, 10, 0. Total score of team A is equal to, we need to add all the scores. Minus 40 plus 10 plus 0 is equal to minus 30. The signs are different, so we need to subtract it. Minus 40 minus 10 is equal to minus 30. If we add 0 to minus 30, the answer remains same. Team B scored 10, 0, minus 40. For finding the total score of Team B, we need to add all the scores. 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. First we need to remove the brackets. 10 plus 0 minus 40. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 plus minus 40. The signs are different, so we need to subtract it. That is 10 minus 40 is equal to minus 30. The scores of both teams are same. The score of team A is also minus 30 and the score of team B is also minus 30. The scores of both teams are same. Yes, we can add integers in any order. So this is commutative property. So that we can add integers in any order. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. First, minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus dash. Second, minus 53 plus dash is equal to minus 53. 17 plus dash is equal to 0. Fourth one, bracket 13 plus minus 12 plus dash is equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. Fifth one, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. First, minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus dash. This is commutative property. So that in the blank space we need to write minus 5. Next, minus 53 plus dash is equal to minus 53. This is identity property. This is which identity? This is additive identity. Next, 17 plus dash is equal to 0. The answer will be minus 17. This is which property? This is by additive inverse. Next, 13 plus 12 plus dash is equal to 13 minus 12 plus 7. This is which property? This is associative property. So, in the blank space we need to write minus 7. Next, fifth one, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus dash. So, this is which property? This is also associative property because minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3. Hope you understood about integers and their properties. Thank you. Meet you on the next video.